How to fix TikTok upload videos problem. So if you have any problem with your TikTok, this video is gonna help you a lot. So just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is you just need to open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again after a few seconds and go to the apps manager and go to TikTok and then click here on force stop and then go to the storage, click here on clear cache, and after that reopen TikTok and the problem must be fixed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.